In this video, we're going to finish with remainders. So no longer when you're dividing things are you going to write 5 remainder 2, for instance. We're going to sort this out. So let's draw this. We've got, here's my bus stop, 2 outside, 3, 4, 3. So 2's into 3 goes once, carry 1. 2 into 14 goes 7 times exactly. 2 into 3 goes 1, carry 1. Now, what you may not be able to see, but I've got great eyesight so I can, is that I've got a point there and then I've got so many zeros here. All of them, they just keep going on and they're all there in case I need to use them. So we said that how many 2's going to 3 was 1, carry 1. So now I can attach that 1 to that first 0. So now I can see 2, how many 2's go into 10? Well, 2's into 10 goes 5 times exactly and no carry on. So I've stopped, I've done my sum, and the decimal point's here, so I just put the decimal point above. So it's 171.5, 171.5. Okay, let's try it for 47 divided by 4. So again, let's get 47 inside the bus stop and 4 outside. 4, how many 4's go into 4? Well, that's 1 exactly. How many 4's go into 7? Well, that's 1, carry 3. So remember all those zeros in case I need to use them. And it was, how many 4's go into 7 was 1, carry 3. So there's my 3. How many 4's go into 30? Well, that's 7, because 4 7's are 28, so that's 7. Then I can carry my 2. 4 into 20 goes 5 times exactly. So I've stopped. I don't need to, there's no more carry on, so I stop there. Here's my decimal point here, so it will become here, just above it. So my answer is 11.75. Okay, let's keep going. So here's my one here, 24.23, 5 outside. 5 into 2 doesn't go, so carry my 2. 5 into 24 goes 4 times, carry 4. 5 into 42 goes 8 times, carry 2. 5 into 23 goes 4 times, and then I carry 3. So remember all those zeros? Let's put a few out. So that was, how many 5's go into 23? That's 4, carry 3. How many 5's go into 30? That's 6 exactly, and my division is stopped. Okay. Last thing to do is my decimal point's here, so my decimal point goes above it. So 4.846. Right. So this last one here, let's write it out. 0.341 divided by 3. So how many 3's go into 0 is 0. Those are my decimal points, so put that above. How many 3's into 3's goes once? How many 3's into 4 goes once? Carry 1. How many 3's go into 11? Well, that's 3, and I've got carry 2, so get all those zeros out ready. Okay, so how many 3's go into 11? That was 3, carry 2. How many 3's go into 20? Well, you've got 3 6's are 18, so that's 6, carry 2. How many 3's go into 20? Well, again, that's 6, carry 2. How many 3's go into 20? Well, again, that's 6, carry 2. And this is going to go on forever. We're just going to have this pattern. So to show that it's going on forever, we just put a little dot above that, and that means that it's recurring. So my answer is 0.1136 recurring. And that's how I'd write it out, 0.1136 with a dot above the 6 to represent that that 6 goes on and on, and that 6 is recurring.